Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW X3 front hood step by step. Immediately after pulling the interior lever, move to the front and feel for a small secondary latch under the hood edge. Press or lift that latch toward the center while gently raising the hood. Use the prop rod or gas strut to secure the hood before you start any inspection or maintenance on the engine bay. After the initial release, find the secondary safety latch under the hood lip, usually slightly off-center. Use one hand to press or lift that small tab, while your other hand raises the hood a few inches. Do this gently to avoid pinching fingers or scratching the paint. Once released, continue lifting until the hood is high enough to access the support rod or struts safely for full opening and inspection. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep the cabin smelling fresh after engine work. I saw it in the video and thought it worth sharing. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Now let's get back to the video. With the hood open, determine if your X3 uses a prop rod or gas struts to stay up. If there is a prop rod, latch it into the slot or hole provided on the hood and ensure it is seated firmly. If your hood has gas struts, let them extend fully and confirm they hold the hood securely before releasing your hands. Always check stability before leaning over the engine bay to avoid accidents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.